Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to talk you through the kits that I plan to use for September 2023. So the first 3 days of the month are with August. So we're going to start on September 4th through the 10th. This week is Labor Day weekend here in the US. Monday will be a holiday for us. But mostly I just want to start getting into the fall vibes, at least a little bit, and do that transition from summer to fall. So for this week, I'm going to use this sticker book called Pretty Watercolor from Recollections. As you can see, I got it on clearance at Michael's. And apparently it is still stuck closed. But this sticker book is really a mixture of a bunch of like butterflies and moths. And then some like more functionally kind of things. If I can get this off, I could just show you everything. Apparently, I did not plan very well for this. Let me see if I can cut it. There we go. So I will just peel this off as well. Tore the front a little, but that's not a big deal. So in this sticker book, there's these super pretty butterflies and moths, and this is actually why I picked this book, because I really liked these guys. And then there's these little like beetles and stuff as well. And then there's some more like quotes and things like that. Functional boxes, which have gold foil. Some more kind of functional and not so functional boxes with all the little bugs. More boxes, some more functionals. I do like that it's kind of watercolor tie-dye effect. Some checklists and things like that. And this is another foiled page. These long strips. So hopefully I can incorporate one or two of those into my weekly setup. These tall kind of like functional boxes, some more round thing, some quotes, again gold foiled, more boxes and stuff. These little corners and then washi strips. I like the kind of gold foiled push pin. I think that's really cute. Like appointment boxes, numbers, and all of that good stuff. I might try to remember to use these for my headers. And then one more set of kind of functional boxes. So that's going to be my plan for the first week of April. The next week is September 11th through the 17th. The end of this week, we're actually going to be traveling. We're going to be visiting Hawaii. So I wanted to use some Hawaiian themed kits. So the first of these is this one from Life with Mayra. It's called Tropical Summer, but I thought it still really fit the vibes with all the kind of flowers and pineapples and things like that. So I thought this would be fun. And I just printed off this first page because that really is what's most functional for me with these kits right now. And then for the second part of our trip, I pulled this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Less Monday, More Summer. And you can see it's because of this box right here. So I wanted to be able to use this box on the Monday of that week. It's not really summertime anymore per se, but certainly Hawaiian weather is going to feel like summer compared to when we're at home. So I thought that this would be fun and bright and cheerful in my planner as well. And then the last week is September 25 through October 1, and I really wanted to start getting into the fall vibes. This kit is from Lovely Planner, and it's called Pumpkin Spice Girl, and I thought it would be perfect for the start of October. I haven't decided if I'm doing all Halloween kits again in October, but for sure I at least want to get fall vibes in and the pumpkins for sure. And then I felt like this was a good transition with so many yellows, which always feels like a very good early fall kind of color to me. So this is going to be the kit I use for that week. So that's what I've got for pre-planning for these kits. You will see all of them coming up in the next few weeks. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what your favorite kit is that I'm going to use, as well as what kits you're excited to use in September, or if you have any ideas for me for October, I would love to hear about those as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see me using these in my planners. You'll see bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.